After the pre-cut, remove the bar. Okay, we're going to remove the bearing on this end. Install the welding bar with the top of the triangle pointing up, north-south, so that you can do an adjustment later. I'm just feeding the wire into the center of the welder, into the liner. Tighten this, line this up with the hole, with the plug-in. Put the plug-in in. Take the controller wire, plug it in. Turn the power on. Feed the wire through. Each extension you have to put it through the center, the welding wire through the center. Feed some more wire through till it's poking out, and I'm going to put another extension on. This is where the SLT goes on. It goes on last, just before the tip. Then the tip goes on. Feed a little bit more out, so it's going to go right through. Now the tip gets lined up with the SLT on the axis that it goes. So it turns that way. So we line it up there, and then we tighten the lock nut. Trim the end off. This is a good time to measure the bore diameter. So we got 4 1/4 inches. Now bring it in as close as you can to the first edge. Set this on 4 1/4, and then just turn to the rotation. Make one complete revolution so you can see where it's situated at here. So we're gonna make an adjustment now. We're gonna lower this end of the machine, of the welder, to bring that end up. And you go about half the distance of space. Now we'll go all the way around again, and we'll see what it's like on the bottom side. So we're still a little bit off, so what I'm going to do is bring this up just a touch more. There. I think we're pretty good there. Now we're going to do the east-west adjustment. I'm just going to move the welder a little bit over here. Okay, now that we have that side, I'm going to go into the other side of the bore. Once it's about a 1/4 inch away, you know you're lined up. We can back out. It's good to start at the top of the downward stroke, because then you're starting your weld on a downhill. Since we've went around in a circle, we've put a kink in the wire, so we're going to feed out a bit. We're going to cut it at about 3/4 of an inch out. Now we're going to run this all the way in to the end of the bore. Place something to protect the bearing. A piece of wood is fine. You lock the feed in here. And now it's locked in, ready to weld. Put your ground clamp on. Everything's set up. You got your bore diameter at 4 1/4. You should just be able to hit weld and it should start welding.